So in the question set 13, it continues from 12 and 12 continues from 11. So question sets 11, 12, 13 are the same question, same scenario with parts of questions. So in the question 13, they have said the store owner says that the details of the products sold in store need to be stored in the computer software. So the owner wants to store the details of the products that have been sold in that business. So we need to create a table called product to store product details. They have given me some instructions, so let's create one. So that's the table name is product, column name product, ID, data type its primary key, auto increment, and product code Vacha 45, product name Vacha 45. That table is okay. Now let's move to the second question. The owner of the shop says that he wants to enter the information of all the bills paid by suppliers. All the bills paid by suppliers. So to do this, create table name GRN. That means good receive note. Follow the instructions given. So let's create the GRN table. GRN. So the first column is good receive note ID. So that's it for GRN table. So we can close this now and move to the next one. The software should be able to retrieve numbers of a number of items received from suppliers and the number of items provided by the supplier. Yeah. The software should be able to receive the number of items received from suppliers and the number of items provided by supplier. Should not change when selling the product. Your terms and its clear separate stock table for this issue. Alright. Follow this. So when the amount of goods supplied by the supplier should not be changed when we sell. So that means if the supplier sends us 100 of a specific item and we sell 50, that the amount of products the supplier should not be deducted to 50. It should stay still as 100. So the employees our team suggests that we create a separate table named stock for that. So now we have to create. So let's create a new table named as stock and stock ID. It's the primary key to increment, and we should record the quantity double and selling price double. So we have created that table also. So now we have user table, customer table, product table, supply, good receivers, and the stock. So that's it for this question set 13. Thank you.